Magandang araw po sa lahat. I am Ralph Matthew Baltasar from BSc 3-2 at ito po yung aking topic, Alternative Dispute Resolution in the Philippines, Datu or Bay. Unang-una po sa lahat, what is Datu or Bay? A Datu or Bay refers to the chief of tribal leader of a community. They are in charge of the general well-being of their communities, tribe, and other often called upon for mediation or conciliation service, as they have both the respect of the people and the authority to preside over mock courts and ADR initiative. And si Bay naman daw po is they are seen as assistant only to the Datu in leading and managing the affairs of their tribal community. Kumbaga, yung si Datu po, siya po yung pinaka-leader o namumuno sa isang tribo o komunidad. Siya po yung may responsibilidad sa buong tribo at sa mga nakatira dito. Habang si Bay naman daw po, siya po yung assistant o pangalawa sa pinakamataas sa isang tribo. At kung halimbawang po wala po si Datu, siya po muna yung hahalili o papalit kay Datu habang wala pa po ito. Pangalawa, the role of Datu in a tribe. His duties include coordinating various social and religious activities, leading in important ceremonies, and protecting the Banwa from its enemy. While vested with influence and power, the Datu does not govern as an absolute ruler. He leads according to customs and laws. He governed his territories, led his soldiers to war, commanded his armadas at seas, protect his village from enemies, and settle dispute among people. Yung role po ni Datu sa tribo, siya po yung pinaka-leader o namumuno dito. Siya po yung may responsibilidad sa kapayapaan, katahimikan at seguridad ng mga nakatira dito. At yung pamamaraan po niya ng pagiging leader ay nakabatay lang po sa kung ano po yung tradisyon o custom nila. At may kapangyarihan din po siyang utusan yung mga kanyang mga tauhan o armadas na protektahan yung kanilang nasasakupan, na ang tawag naman po ay Banwa. The role of Datu in ADR. It first analyzed to see whether it requires supervision from the tribe chief or could be solved without. This analysis is known as KAKAP. It looks into conflict actors, their interest, needs, and demands. The issue is evaluated by a third party so as not to become so by personal bias. When evaluation is complete, the problem is brought to the chief, who first attempts to talk to the parties individual to assess their position, and then finally the conflict actors are brought together to solve the issue. As leader of a tribe, he is responsible for the peace and order of his territory and those who live there. Because of this, he approached him for personal problems or problems related to other groups or even problems related to the security of his entire tribe. He is the one who takes the lead in fixing the problem by confronting the two camps with problems, and with the help of the elders, he will ask them for advice on solving the problems to maintain peace and tranquility through the tribe. Yung role po ni Datu sa ADR ay siya po yung nag-aayos ng mga may problema sa tribo. Kumbaga, parang siya po yung pinaka-barangay captain sa isang barangay. Ang una niya pong gagawin ay kakausapin niya po muna ng hiwalay yung dalawang grupong merong nagkakaroon ng problema o hindi pagkakaintindihan. Matapos niya po itong gawin, paghaharapin niya na po yung dalawang grupo na merong hindi pagkakaunawaan o pagkakaintindihan, at pag-aayusin niya po ito sa abot ng kanyang makakaya. At bago po ito, manghihingi po muna siya ng payo sa mga elders o nakakatanda sa buong tribo. Manghihingi po siya ng payo o gabay kung paano niya po ito aayusin upang ma-maintain po yung kaayusan, katahimikan at seguridad sa buong tribong kanyang nasasakupan. Ayun po yung pinaka-role ni Datu sa ADR. Parang, ayun nga po, parang siya po yung barangay captain sa isang barangay na kung saan siya po yung may responsibilidad sa lahat ng nakatira dito. Siya po yung may responsibilidad sa katahimikan, kapayapaan at seguridad ng mga nakatira dito. History of tribes in ADR. The Manobo are one of the 100 ethnic groups which reside in the Philippines. Under them are several tribes such as Agusan Manobo, Sarangani Manobo, Obo Manobo. The Manobo people are known for remaining close and true to their culture roots. Almost all their practice, from medicine to conflict resolution. The Manobo actively work for the maintenance of societal peace. The method of conflict resolution include crossing over territory lines after surrendering any arms. The opposition welcome the alleged offender with an intention to forgive and move on the culprit, whichever situation calls for it to pay the damage, and both tribes agree to move on from the conflict with no residual grudge. Kumbaga, yung history po ng tribes sa ADR, yung kauna-unahan pong nakitaan ng parang pinaka-dispute resolution sa mga katutubo ay yung mga Manobo. Yung kanila pong pamamaraan ng pag-ayos ng mga hindi pagkakaintindihan ay una, pipilitin po nilang pasukuin yung parang pinaka-suspect, isosurrender po ni suspect yung armas o anumang pong gamit na ginamit niya sa krimen. Tapos i-welcome po nung tribo na nakaalitan yung suspect. Pipilitin pong pag-ayusin. Pababayaran lang po kung ano po yung mga nasira o na-damage, ganun. Tapos after po nung maayos na po yung problema, kakalimutan na po ng dalawang grupo yung naging problema at mag-move on na po dito. Yun po yung pamamaraan ng mga Manobo na kung saan effective po noon na hanggang sa ngayon naman po ay ginagamit pa rin po nila. At ito po yung itsura ng mga Manobo noon na ng mga tribo. Pero sa ngayon po, medyo nag-iba na po yung pamamaraan ng kanilang pananamit. Hindi na po ganito. Pero ginagamit pa rin po nila yung pamamaraan ng gantong pananamit kapag mayroong mga mahalagang okasyon. Why Datu or they include in ADR? They are prime example of local peace building initiative that bring awareness into the community regarding the cost and consequence of conflict when a community approach a conflict to resolve it rather than a party approaching a conflict to win. It strengthens the social fabric of the society. The various systems set up by both the government and tribal leaders of the Philippines have seen massive success in peace building, conflict, and establishing positive peace. Kumbaga kaya daw po nasali yung Datu or Bay sa ADR dahil sila daw po yung pinaka prime example ng peace building initiative sa bansa. Dahil sila po yung kauna-unahang nakitaan ng alternative dispute noong wala pa pong tinatawag na ADR. Kumbaga, sila po yung nauna sa ganitong pamamaraan ng pag-aayos ng mga problema. Kaya yung ating pong gobyerno parang dito po kumuha ng concept upang magawa po yung ADR sa Pilipinas. Dahil yung mga katutubo po natin, kaya po nilang ayusin yung mga problema o hindi pagkakaunawaan sa loob ng kanilang tribo nang sila lang, nang hindi po nanghihingi ng tulong o payo ng ibang tao o government agency. Kaya po nila ayusin yung problema ng sila lang. Kaya dito po nakitaan ng gobyerno yung Datu or Bay ng parang potensyal na magkaroon po ng ADR dito sa buong Pilipinas. What issue or cases usually brought to Datu? Ito po yung mga madalas na issue or cases na dinadala sa kay Datu. Yung mga patayan, land grabbing, land dispute, theft, and etc., which can cause misunderstanding and chaos in a tribe or other group. Ito po yung madalas na dinadala kay Datu na mga problema. Tapos ito naman po yung aking mga reference at ito po yung aking quote. Get up, stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up, don't give up the fight. By Bob Marley. Yun lamang po yung aking buong report at maraming salamat po sa pakikinig at yun lamang po. Maraming salamat.